Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you guys how I fixed this actual violation. As you can see, this outlet is located in a wet location behind the sink where there's water. By code it has to be a GFCI. That's not the case in this situation. And number two, there is no ground tail to the box. And number three, the cover that's being used is the type of cover that you use for drywall location. So the proper cover for this location, it's called a mulberry cover in this case. So the first thing we're gonna do is stick that apart and then start working on it. So as you can see, the box is there. So the next thing we're gonna do is install a ground tail to the box, then to the GFCI. And the one thing about this GFCI I should say is it has a load and line in the back. So you want to make sure you always put your power on the line side of the GFI. The load side is only being used if you want to put an outlet. Then the load side of the GFI would actually control the outlet. So when you trip the GFI, the outlet will go off. Anyway, as you can see, the mulberry cover is installed. Everything is working properly. So now we're good to go. And as always, guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, share it with somebody, and let's continue to grow together and learn. Peace till next time. Peace.